The first thing you'll want to do is go up to your CSV file of your student names, and you're going to drag this down to highlight all of those names. Right-click, copy. Then you're going to go back over to the PowerPoint, go up to the top box, click inside of that, and click Paste. Now what you'll notice is that I have too many names to fit onto the table. So to get rid of those extra rows that you don't need, you can go up and highlight all of those rows, right-click, and then go to Delete and Delete Rows. And now it'll fit on your page. So now let's say you need to create another page since you have so many students. So you'll copy the slide, click in between, click Paste, and then that will just copy the entire slide, and then you'll want to get rid of those names to paste new ones in. So highlight all the names and then click Delete.